up, YouTube? Hey, I'm just checking in real quick, guys. Listen, man, your boy got cooked on today. One, I got cooked. I'm just coming from the gym. Got cooked in the weight room. Okay, put in some work. But also, guys, as it relates to trading, okay, again, sometimes in this game, guys, you have to stay disciplined. And sometimes discipline can mean sticking to the script in terms of knowing when to cut your losses, guys. So for example, today the market came out the gate. I'm talking about SPY in particular, okay? The SPY came out the gate booming. Went towards the 413, 414, 415 price targets I had set, okay? But then all of a sudden, guys, 10 o'clock came and they hit us with the UWAP. And all of a sudden the stock dropped from 415 down to 410. Okay, and so I had a call that was in around the 412 level that ended up getting crushed because the stock ended up coming down to 410. Okay, but what do you do when you're wrong? I often say, guys, it's okay to be wrong, but it's not okay to stay wrong. So in the event when you get it wrong, guys, you have to pivot. You have to cut that loss. And that's what your boy had to do on today, guys. And I wanted to jump on here really quickly to kind of let you know, boy got cooked on today, okay? And it happens, okay? Now, I'm looking. I was 22 for 22. I had won my last 22 trades before this loss right here, okay? So, again, guys, even in your success, there will be setbacks, but oftentimes, guys, remember, a setback is a setup for an awesome comeback. So on your journey, okay, you're gonna have some wins, you're gonna have some losses, okay? You will have these things take place, but the thing that you have to remember is there will be days you are on the wrong side of the trade. There will be days that what you thought you mapped out from a technical analysis standpoint still did not work out in your favor. And that's what happened to me on today, okay? The consumer sentiment news came out from the University of Michigan. That was a catalyst that made the trade go against me. Then later on in the day, the market had made a rebound, and all of a sudden it came back down when I thought it was done coming back down that far, okay? And then I said I cut my loss. As soon as I cut my loss, the stock went right back up to where I had my exit order set, my limit sell order set, and I would have came out with another, I'll call it a base hit. I won't say a big home run, but it would have been another $400 or $500. Okay, so all in all today, guys, I made 1,600, but I lost 1,800. Made 1,600, but I lost 1,800. So what is that, guys? That's a net negative of 200. Cut your losses, okay? Cut your losses. Things happen, all right? Things happen, but you have to stay disciplined. And discipline is not just on the winning side. It is also on the side of, again, managing your losses. What did I tell you, guys? Small losses keep you in the game. Small losses keep you in the game, okay? No matter who you are, if you do this long enough, you're going to take some losses. Even after my 22 wins in a row, I had one loss, okay? This one loss, though, was $1,800. I only had won $1,600 today, so I'm down $200 to close out the day, okay? Sharing this with you guys because it's important to understand you have to manage your risks, okay? You have to manage your risk. That is something that I need to make sure you guys are embracing on your journey, okay? Now, with that being said, check it out. We got the weekend coming up. We got some news behind us, but look, earnings season is underway, okay? The banks kind of kicked it off today. You guys know I don't really mess with the banks, okay? I'm not a bank investor. I don't deal with banks on that level as far as investing is concerned, so you don't see me get too hype about the banks. However, regardless of that, earnings season is underway, okay? And with earnings seasons underway, eventually you're going to get the big dogs reporting, and that's your Apples, your Microsoft. Tesla is coming up relatively quickly, okay? So you will have some major companies on the horizon that you got to prepare for, okay? But with that being said, That's going to be where the shift and the focus goes towards is earnings. Okay, so be mindful of that in terms of the opportunities, the volatility that can bring. Okay, you have to be mindful of macro events that are in the news. Now, mind you, I said be mindful. Don't try to trade that. We trade the chart, okay? We ignore the news. We ignore all of those things. Mind you, we are mindful of it, but we are strictly operating off of the chart, okay? So please remember that, okay? But earnings season kicks off this particular week and then over the next several weeks, okay? So again, you'll have some of your big companies reporting. This will also be some catalyst to move the market, whether we want to continue to go higher or we start to move back to the downside. Regardless of any of that, be ready, okay? Matter of fact, get in the Discord if you're not in the Discord already. Consider weekly options so you can join the money team. And or if you need one-on-one coaching or if you need options coaching, guys, don't hesitate to invest in yourself. That's, if I can't tell you guys anything else, that's the greatest investment is in you. Okay, I often say expedite the learning curve. Fill in the gaps of the things that you know you're good at this, but you may need to build on this. Okay, that's where support, that's where mentorship comes in at. That's where coaching comes in at, and that's what you have to be willing to take that next step, take that leap to make sure you're getting the support you need, guys. And also, even though I'm sharing the fact that I got my head cracked on today, okay, I'm mostly trying to get you guys to see not only do we have days where we don't get everything right, I often want to share that with you, but also how you handle that. Okay, you cut your loss, simple and plain. You don't complain, you don't run in the victim Olympics. What you do is simply cut your loss and move on. Okay, already I got $200 on my mind for Monday that I got to go make back up, okay? And so that's how I'll be looking at that. Join me if you want to make some money for next week, guys, because we will be getting after it. But I just wanted to put this on you guys to close out the week. Once again, major salute. In my more recent video that's coming up, I'll share some of the wins I had on today so that you guys can see where I bought, where I sold, what percent did I hold to in terms of not overstaying my welcome, in terms of getting in and getting out, as well as seeing profit and taking profit. I still want to always be transparent and show you guys how the game goes so that you can apply it to your trading, you can apply it to your journey, okay? With that being said, guys, I won't hold you up. Just wanted to put this on you guys. But listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.